Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can download the bill of material in TranZact. So first of all you need to click on browse module, then you need to go on production module. Now these are the list of all of my published bill of material. So suppose the very first bill of material which I want to download, I will open this particular bill of material. After that, on your right hand side you will get an option of download. Click on this. Now once you will click on this, please check there are two options, normal and expanded. So what is normal and expanded? So in normal view, only the parent bill of material, in case of child bill of material, only the parent bill of material will get downloaded. In expanded view, the child bill of material will also get downloaded. So once I will click on this expanded view, please check the bill of material will get downloaded in Excel and you can use it. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and download the bill of material. Have a good day ahead.